Hello students, today we are going to read this poem, The Young Dandelion. What is dandelion? Dandelion is a weed plant. Weeds are the unwanted plants which grows by itself. As you can see in this picture, this dandelion plant has a yellow color flowers on the top and its leaves are grassy in shape. It looks like grass. Okay, and as it is an unwanted plant, so it grows in the field or in the park or in the roadsides by itself. Nobody grows it, nobody put a seed on in the soil to grow dandelion, but it grows by itself because it is a weed. Okay, so there are many types of weed and dandelion is one of them. I am a bold fellow as ever was seen. Because dandelion is the most common plant, you might have noticed such yellow colored plant, grassy leaf flower plant at the roadside or in the fields, okay, or in the garden, or even when we in the plants which we grow in a pot at our home. There also you might have noticed some unwanted grasses or some unwanted plant that grows itself. That's also a weed. So bold fellow means it is the strongest fellow, strongest weed than others. As ever was seen means it is very common that it is seen everywhere. With my shield of yellow, yellow shield means yellow flower, means it grows with a yellow flower. In the grass green, as it has as it grows along with other plants along with the grass, and grasses are green, so yellow flower popped out, and it looks very attractive. You may uproot me means whether we remove it or from the field and from the lane, because it grows in a chain. Okay, it grows in a chain, like one plant is grown here, so other plants will also grow in a line, in a row. So you may uproot means you can remove this dandelion plant from field and from lane. Trample means stepping upon, okay, crushing the plants by stepping upon. So you can step upon it, you can crush it with your feet, you can cut it, but I spring up again, but it can still grows up again. As I told you that dandelion is a weed, it is an unwanted plant that grows itself. Okay, it is the one of the strongest plant which is very commonly seen and noticed in the fields and in the garden, and it has a yellow colored flower. It has yellow colored flowers and its leaves are grassy green in color, and it is such a strong weed that even after removing its roots, as you know that plants has roots, even after removing its roots, or whether you cut it, whether you crush its leaves or crush this plant with your feet, but it again grows up. I never flinch. Flinch means to make a sudden, means it doesn't feel any pain. Okay, it doesn't make any movement with its pain, means when you cut it. So we say that plants are the living things and they also feel pain, and whenever we get any cut in our hand or in any area, so we move our hand with pain, or whenever we feel any pain in any part of our body, then we start moving it, whether it is our hand or leg, due to pain, but it doesn't make any movement due to pain. Wherever I dwell means live, wherever it lives, give me an inch, sir, because it can grows in a very little space. Okay, even when two plants, where you have grown two plants it can, suppose two plants you have grown, you have put seeds and in the soil, and you have two plants have been grown. So this weed, this Dandelion weed can grow even between the two plants. It takes a very little space. So give me an inch, sir, means I can grow in a little space. I'll soon take an L, means it can again add its species, means it can grow in a little space wherever it finds space. Okay, even you might have noticed that if you have plants grown in a pot, okay, any plant, any flower plant or any other any kind of plant, some tiny leaves of other kind of plant you will notice, which will grow with the in the sand, in the soil of that pot. So that's you will also notice that you have not that leaves will be different with the plant which is actually grown within that pot. So that becomes an unwanted plant. Okay, unwanted leaves plant. So it is saying that it can grow in a little space. Drive me from garden in anger and pride. Whether you remove it from garden in anger or in pride, means whether in a good mood or in a bad mood, you remove this plant, whether in a good mood or bad mood, I'll thrive, means it will develop and harden, it will again develop strongly. Because आप उसको कितना ही रिमूव कर लो, आप देखते हो ग्रासेस होती हैं, जो गार्डन में ग्रासेस होती हैं, उसको ग्रास को रिमूव किया जाता है पर वो वापस से ग्रो करने लगती हैं ना अपने आप। तो ऐसे ही ये वीड्स होते हैं जो जिनको कितना ही रिमूव आप करो वो कुछ टाइम में फिर डेवलप हो जाते हैं और बहुत सारे डेवलप हो जाते हैं। बाय द रोड साइड, नॉट अ बिट fearful, showing my face, always so cheerful in every place. Cheerful means happy. So it doesn't feel any fear. It doesn't feel any fear of showing his face, because when it knows that somebody will remove, people will remove it as it is unwanted plant. Nobody likes to have unwanted leaves in their garden. So still it doesn't feel any fear, and it again and again show its face, and in a very cheerful mood, means it happily grows up and shows its face in every place without any fear. So that's all about this poem. We have studied about the nature of the weed, one of the weed which is dandelion. Okay, and you know that now how does it look like and what are its features. Its features are like it has a yellow colored flowers, its leaves are grassy green, and it grows in the field or in the garden side in a row, and it is such a strong plant that even after removing it, it grows again and again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.